Hello and welcome to Gyan Granth. In this video, I'll give you a brief introduction of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita and start with the explanation of first 10 shloks of chapter 1. When all the efforts of preventing the war between Kauravas and Pandavas failed and both the sides were prepared for the battle at Kurukshetra, sage Vedvyas came to Hastinapur to meet King Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra, who was the father of Kauravas, was blind since birth. Vedvyas asked him if he would like to witness the battle at Kurukshetra, he can gift him transcendent vision or Divyadrishti. Dhritarashtra denied for the gift of Divyadrishti as he did not want to see the slaughter of his own family members with his eyes. He rather asked that he wanted to hear all the events of the battle. So he bestowed Sanjay, a trusty counselor of Dhritarashtra, with Divyadrishti, and he described all the happenings of the war to King Dhritarashtra. All the shloks of Srimad Bhagavad Gita are based upon the conversation between Sanjay and Dhritarashtra. The essence of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is how Lord Krishna enlightened Arjun when he found himself in a dilemma about fighting with his own brothers. All the preachings of Lord Krishna about karma that he gave to a reluctant Arjun are contained in Bhagavad Gita. Chapter 1. Dhritarashtra Uvach Dharmkshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yuyutsavah Mamakaha Pandavaschav Kim Kurvat Sanjaya. Dhritarashtra said, "Hey Sanjay, eager to fight and gathered on the Dharma Bhumi of Kurukshetra, what did my sons and sons of Pandu do?" Sanjay Uvach Drishtava tu Pandavanikam Vyudham Duryodhanastada Acharyam Upasangamya Raja Vachanam Bravit. Sanjay said, "Hey Rajan, on seeing the disposition of army of Pandavas, Duryodhan approached Dronacharya and spoke these words. Pashyetam Pandu Putranam Acharya Mahtim Chamum Vyunham Drupad Putren Tav Shishen Dhimata. Hey Acharya, look at the great army of Pandavas which is arranged by your talented pupil, son of Drupad. Atra Shura Maheshwasa Bhimarjun Samayudhi Yuyudhano Viratasya Drupadasya Maharatha. There are so many heroes like Yuyudhan, Virat and Drupad wielding mighty bows in this army who are equal in military prowess to Bhim and Arjun. Drishtaketushche Kitanah Kashirajascha Virevan Purujit Kunti Bhojascha Shavyascha Narapungavaha. Along with them there are Drishtaketu, Chekitan, valiant king of Kashi, Purujit, Kunti Bhoj and Shavya, who all are mightiest in the mankind. Yudha Manyushcha Vikranta Uttamojascha Virevan Saubhadro Draupadeyascha Sarva Eva Maharathaha. Yudhamanyu, valiant Uttamoja, son of Subhadra and sons of Draupadi, all are great warriors. Asmakam tu Vishishta ye Tannibodha Dvijottam Nayaka mam Sainyasya Sangyartham Tan Bravimite. But O best of Brahmins, for your information, I want you to know the chiefs of my army who are equally efficient. Bhavan Bhishmasya Karnasya Kripasya Samitinjayah Ashwathama Vikarnasya Somadattis Tathaivacha. Yourself, Bhishma, Karna, Ashwathama, Vikarna and son of Somdat, all are ever victorious in battle. Anye cha bahavaha shura matarthe tyakta jivitaha nana shastra praharanaha sarve yuddha visharadaha. And many other heroes equipped with various weapons and are skilled in warfare who are ready to stake their lives for me. Aparyaptam tadasmakam balam bhishmabhirakshitam paryaptam tvidmetesham balam bhimabhirakshitam. Our army, being fully protected by Bhishma, is unconquerable, while their army, though protected by Bhim, has its limitation. So friends, this was my attempt to explain Srimad Bhagavad Gita to you. I may have made some pronunciation mistakes and I apologize for that. Do let me know of your opinion in the comment box and subscribe the channel for further explanation. Meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.